Hey everyone, Mrs. Green here. This is the 5.08 Mid-Unit 5 review. Again, I am out of office, so I've created this recording for you as a tool to help you prep yourself for the Mid-Unit 5 test. So first thing, as always, I want to remind you that you have access to the notes, aka the slides that I use every day during our live classes, and even our recordings that I've created for you in recent weeks. So where do you find them? Enter your biology course, click on content up in that green bar, and then on the and then a screen will load, and on the left hand side of the screen you'll see like a bluish gray bar that says CC session slides. Click on that and all of the units will pop up. Click on Unit 5 Ecology, and on the right hand side a bunch more slides will pop up. This is not all of them, this is just some, but there are many more in there for the first half of Unit 5. So you can download each of those and use those to help you study. All right, quickly, test, the mid-unit test. This is not the Unit 5, this is the second to last test in this course, our regular test, then you have the final exam, but second to last regular unit test in the class. This is a mid-unit test, so there's a lot of material in Unit 5 that we've split in half to make your life a little bit easier. So the mid-unit 5 test is due Thursday, May 12th. Make sure you get that done. It's due by 11:30. And then a study guide, which again is an optional assignment, but it is strongly suggested, especially since I have not been with you in live sessions for much of, or basically for much of this first half of Unit 5. So I really strongly suggest that you get that study guide done. And if you don't feel like doing it, then then at least submit something so that you can get the answer key so that you have that to prepare yourself. I would like you to treat this recording just as you would a regular live class. A regular live class is 1 hour and 45 minutes. And so I want you to do the activities, okay? What I have done, just like I did with Unit 4, I've created you a Class Kick activity along with a recording for Class Kick. Or I shouldn't say recording for classes. This is the recording for Class Kick. So I created a Class Kick activity. The activity is found in Mrs. Green's biology folder. You will see it as 5.08 Mid-Unit 5 Test Breakout Room with links. So that has been assigned to you. You will go through it just like you would if you were doing breakout rooms in our live classes. You go to slide number 2, and it's breakout room number 1. Where you do the study guide, you go to the next slide and it's the quizzes practice test. So that again is the practice test, not the actual test. It's just the practice before the real thing. So the link is there for you to use to take the practice test, okay? Again, please use the 1 hour and 45 minutes of our normally scheduled class to do this activity just as you would a normal day. So if after you do the practice test and you're feeling pretty solid, go ahead, get that test done. Whatever floats your boat, I'm cool with, okay? All right, so study guide. Again, study guide's due Thursday, May 12th by 11:30 p.m. You can find it in your Dropbox, and this should say 5.07 review, okay? Not the 4 before. It'll help you take notes throughout the unit. It'll help you focus on which is the important information in the first half of the unit. It'll help you be ready for the test, and it'll give you something to study before the test. I do grade it for timeliness and accuracy, please know, and a reminder that only one submission is allowed, because what happens even if you submit a blank document, the answer key pops up. So only one submission is allowed. All right, so I think that is it again. And I should say, sorry, I did not update these slides very well, guys. But Mid-Unit 5 test, it's due Thursday, May 12th. There are 22 multiple choice questions. You guys get 3 attempts. If you're unhappy with your first attempt, please do not bang them out within 10 minutes of each other. Go to the reteach activity. Go to the practice test in Class Kick. Do something to help you practice the material before you go and do another test, okay? So that is my piece of advice. All right, guys, have a great week, and I will see you back in class Monday or Tuesday the 16th, depending on what class time we have together. So have a good one. Good luck. You guys got this, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.